Good morning, students. Today again we will continue the chapter Cell, the structure and function unit of life. An overview of cell. All the cell contains cytoplasm. What is cytoplasm? A semi-fluid matrix where cellular activity and chemical reaction occur. This keeps the cell in the living state. Ribosome, non-membrane bound organelle found in cytoplasm, chloroplast, mitochondria, and on the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smallest cell, that is mycoplasm, that is also known as PPL or pleuropneumonia like organism, that is 0.23 micrometer in length. Largest isolated single cell, that is egg of ostrich. Longest cell, that is nerve cell. Size of bacteria 3 to 5 micrometer. Human RBC, that is 7.0 micrometer in diameter. And this is the typical eukaryotic cell, PPLO, that is 0.1. Pleuropneumonia like organism. Typical bacteria, PPLO, that is virus. So these are the various shapes. Based on the function, shapes of the cell may be disc-like, polygonal, columnar, cuboid, thread-like, or irregular. So these are the shapes of various cell: bone cell, muscle cell, nerve cell, gland cell, blood cell. So there are various type of cell based on the shapes and size. And the cells are of two types, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. And here is prokaryotic. They have no membrane bound nucleus and organelles. They include bacteria, blue-green algae, mycoplasm, PPLO, that is pleuropneumonia like organism. They are generally smaller and multiply more rapidly than eukaryotic cell. They vary in shape and size. So bacteria have four shapes. So based on the shape, their name is like this: Bacillus, that is rod shaped; Coccus, spherical shape; Vibrio, coma shaped; Spirillum, that is spiral shape. So cell organelles in prokaryotic include cell envelope, mesosome, nucleoid, flagella, pili, ribosome, inclusion bodies, and this is the diagram of prokaryotic cell. This is pili, plasmid, capsule, cell wall, plasma membrane, nucleoid, ribosome. This is flagellum, cytoplasm, and the nucleoid. Prokaryotic, that is pro means primitive, karyot means nucleus. So it's have primitive type of nucleus, and the primitive type of nucleus is nucleoid. So it is formed on non-membranous naked circular genomic DNA, that is single chromosome genetic material and protein. Many bacteria have small circular DNA outside the genomic DNA. It gives some unique phenotypic characteristic, that is resistance to antibiotics to bacteria. So the nucleus is not well developed. It is non-membranous, that is known as nucleoid here. Now eukaryotic cell, they have well organized membrane bound nucleus and organelles. Presence of membrane gives clear compartmentalization of cytoplasm. They have complex locomotory and cytoskeleton structure. Their genetic material is organized into chromosome. So in eukaryotic cell, it is well organized as compared to prokaryotic. So organelles of eukaryotic cells include cell membrane, cell wall, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, plastid, ribosome, cytoskeleton, cilia, nucleus, microbodies. We will study each topic one by one. So this is the diagram of eukaryotic cell. So what is the difference between eukaryotic and prokaryotic? Prokaryotic are generally smaller as compared to the eukaryotic. In prokaryotic, genetic material is nucleoid, and in eukaryotic it is in the form of nucleus. Nuclear membrane is absent in prokaryotic, whereas present in the in prokaryotic nuclear membrane is absent, and in eukaryotic it is present. Membrane bound organelles absent in prokaryotic and present in prokaryotes. Circular DNA in prokaryotic and linear DNA in eukaryote. And ribosomes is of 70S type, whereas in eukaryotic it is 80S type. This is the structure of plant cell. Simple cell wall, plasma membrane, vacuoles, chloroplast, nucleus, mitochondria. This is tonoplast, vacuoles in large in number, large in size. So this is the structure of animal cell. Mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, nucleus, nucleolus, cytoplasm, ribosome. This is the structure of animal cell. On the basis of presence of absence, that we can compare animal cell and plant cell. Animal cell membrane is present in both. Cell wall is absent in animal cell. Nucleus is present in both. Nuclear membrane is present in both. Cytoplasm present. Plastid is absent in animal. And vacuoles, that size differ. That is smaller size in animals and the larger size in animals and plants. So on the basis of the structure of the animals and plants, and we can also differentiate here that vacuoles of that larger size vacuole is present in plant, and in the case of animals the size of vacuoles is very small. Now on the basis of it, we can also compare the most important thing, that large vacuoles in plant cell, small vacuoles, plastid present, absent, cell wall, centrioles. So thank you for today.